Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to use searching facility of the Windows 8. So, to search anything through the Windows 8, you need to go to the option Search. For that, take your mouse pointer to the upper right corner and click on the Search. So, it will open this window. Now, what you want to search? If you want to search any application, then write that application name. For example, I want to search for the Internet Download Manager. So I am writing IN. So you can see various apps which are starting from IN and select app which you want to open. So this is the one way. Now, if I want to search not only in my PC but through various applications, then I can also search in Windows 8. For example, I want to search for America, then I am writing America, and I want to search this America word on the Internet Explorer. So I am selecting Internet Explorer. Click on the Internet Explorer. You can see America will be open. So these are the various results related to America. Now I want to search India using the map application. So I am writing India in the search and click on the maps application. So map application will be open and it will search maps of the India on the internet. So it is loading the map application and loading the maps of India country. Now you can see the map of the India is loaded. You can enlarge the Indian map by this option plus and minus. So when you click on the plus, it will enlarge the India map. So you can see this is the India map or India search through map application. I can also search through the various application like travel, video, news. Throughout this application, I can get information for search at keyword. For example, I want to search for India on news application. Then you can see various news about the India will be displayed in the news application, which are the current news. So these are the facility provided by Windows 8. We don't need to open any application for the searching. You can directly put a keyword and open the application on which you want to search, and this is the dynamic search facility provided by Windows 8. Thank you.